This is the first recording of my learner who is in grade 5.
Carbon blessings or bane. Carbon is truly wonderful. With its 4 outer shells, carbon easily links with each other. Atoms in the atmosphere. Thus, numerous carbon compounds are formed. While this may indicate that carbon is helpful to man, it can also be destructive. Carbon has its good function, but it should be used well to produce desired results. As humans and animals breathe out carbon dioxide during respiration, the air retains a little amount of carbon. This is where the problem lies, due to the wide use of carbon-based fuels by automobiles, and combustion of these fuels give off carbon dioxide. Carbon quickly combines with oxygen, and this is when we have to find quick solutions. With so many cars, buses, and jeeps running on these fuels, the carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere is high, very high indeed. With the high amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the terms greenhouse effect and global warming become household words. It was found that the alarming accumulation of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has been trapping heat from escaping into outer space. This has caused the man to respond alarmingly to the situation. There are new efforts to limit carbon dioxide emissions. If not, there will be disastrous changes. Global warming will bring out climate change in all parts of the world. As we know, experience wet season become wetter. There is more flooding and dry seasons because have become hotter and drier. There are droughts. Man has awakened to the reality of carbon, while a friend to the environment could be also an enemy if abused and misused.
The word links was only read by the reader as link, omitting the sound s. The word atoms was read by the reader as atoms, and atmosphere was mispronounced as atmosphere. The word thus was mispronounced as thus. The word helpful was repeated twice. Functions was read as function, omitting the sound s, and should was mispronounced by the reader as should. Retains was mispronounced by the reader as restains. Automobiles was mispronounced as automobiles. These was mispronounced as these. The sound in the word gives was omitted, only reading it as give. These was again mispronounced by the reader as these. The word atmosphere was first read by the reader as athmo, and then successfully corrected it, reading it as atmosphere. Terms was read as therms. Became was substituted with the word because. The syllable C in the word situation was repeated twice by the reader. Global was read by the reader as grobar. Now was read as snow, and weather was read as weather. The words have and become was interchangeably read by the reader, and the word become was substituted by because. Could was mispronounced as could.